G'day, g'day. We're out in the 80 doing a bit of driving around during the cyclone. I'm just going for a drive, get some mud on the old 80 series and go for a look down the creek and see how high the water came up. So take you along for the ride. Enjoy. Made it down to the beach anyway. This is the mouth of the creek you can see behind me. This is my little local creek, so I love this spot, man. Check it out, it's beautiful.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What a score! Oh, a little bit small. I'll leave it there for the next bloke. Alright, let's go find some more mud. It was way too windy down there, the audio would have been terrible. Alright, let's go get the car dirty. huge. Alright, so I just saw one of the biggest scrub pythons I've ever seen in my life just come scooting through here. Let's see if we can find it. Leave me thongs up here. I just went through here. It was a good 3 or 4 meters long, so I'm seeing plenty of wildlife today, guys. There's a big goanna before that I didn't have the camera turned on for. The yellow belly black out on the road, the blue tongue lizard. Look at this little fella. Fucking blue tongue lizard. Get your tongue out, buddy. Give us a wave. Hey, get off the road, mate.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Have a look at this. You're not going to last long there, champ. Get off the road. Anyway. Don't know where he went. So yeah, we got a fair bit of rain, guys. That's knee deep. Shouldn't be any crocs in here with the water running this fast, you would hope. But anyway, there you go. I just wanted to see how much water was in the creek as we come down here for a swim. It's a beautiful spot. Alright, hope you've enjoyed a little bit of four-wheel driving on a Sunday afternoon. We've got a mate coming around the Savo for cook up a barbecue for dinner, so get back and clean the car up and yeah, fire the barbie up and have a few beers. But alright guys, have a good weekend. I'll catch up with you later. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If I haven't got one handy already, headbutt the shit out of your buttons until you've pressed subscribe, and I will catch you later, eh? See ya!